Your Honor, it is the duty investigation because
Okay.
we are on a duty basis, Your Honor. Every day there is a duty investigator to be available in any incident happen to respond for that.
So makatuwid, you're in the office, you ordered, and there's a duty investigation, meaning sila yung nag-respond doon sa crime scene, sila yung nag-collect ng mga, kung ano man yung mga ebidensya na makokolekta nila. You mentioned also about CCTV, at sila yung gumawa ng report na yon at binigay sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. It was the duty SDO, Your Honor, to make a report to the district, Your Honor, because we are on a hierarchy, Your Honor.
No. I'm asking you, Colonel, from the very start, gusto ko lang maintindihan yung regular process of investigation. So nangyari itong krimen, pak, pinatay. Nakita natin yung video,
Yes,
di ba?
sir.
May bumarel. May mga assailant unidentified, di ba? So pumunta doon yung mga tao mo, sila yung nagkolekta, I don't know, pumunta ba ang SOCO, nagkolekta sila ng mga ebidensya, and then yung kinakolekt nila, nireport nila, sinubmit nila sa'yo. Tama ba yung aking pagkakaintindi yung proseso?
The spot report, Your Honor, is given to the duty SDO, Your Honor.
Okay, so the SPART report, hindi pa
Immediately.
tapos yan, ha? Hindi pa conclusive, hindi ba?
Only relevant information, the 5W and 1H, Your Honor.
Oo. And
Then,
then,
immediately, it will be sent through to the operation of the district.
not
unit.
directly to you?
No, Your Honor.
Why?
Because we have some delegated officer that time, Your Honor, responsible to send the report, Your Honor.
So in terms of hierarchy, Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified. In terms of hierarchy, you're the chief of Mandaluyong City Police.
Yes, Your Honor.
Before it reaches a much higher level, it has to go pass through your office, hindi ba?
Minsan kasi, Your Honor, pagka chief of police ka, Your Honor, you have to supervise only. There is a duty SDO and a duty investigator. So sila yung nag-aano po ng report, Your Honor, and they just inform me about the incident. But at that time, Your Honor, I was there also in the incident. So just to read on the report being submitted, to be submitted to the district level.
So
Your Honor.
do you mean to say that all of the murder cases that are being investigated ay nagka-create sila ng special investigation task force na diretso sila sa district na hindi na sila pupunta sa'yo? Is that what you're telling us?
Hindi naman lahat ng murder cases, Your Honor, nagkakaroon
Okay,
ng
so
isa
what